Great boondocking spot. We'll put the we'll put the coordinates in the comments. We're all packed up. We're ready to go. This is the first leg of our summer adventure. And I am late checking out of the campground we were staying in here locally. So I've got to go. As you can see, Amy's not here, but I'll explain that in a minute. Keeping with the theme of the summer of Silas, Silas's medicines didn't come in on time, and so Amy has to wait at the house for them to deliver. She just texted me that they got there. So we're gonna meet in Crumpler, North Carolina, and we're gonna meet up then. So we're going to see one of my favorite potters.
You're good. Complicated as possible, and then you'll know it's your way.
That kind of scares me. Don't tip her over.
Oh, it won't tip. I really don't understand what he sees happening in his mind here. But we'll just let him do what he's going to do.
He just likes
It's a
driving.
big open space. I'm not too worried.
He just likes driving.
My way would have been so much easier, and you landed exactly where I suggested you go. Whoa.
So we got the windows open with a Old Thousand Trails card.
I'm glad it was good for something.
Yeah, oh, that is very
That's
true.
the best value we ever got out of that card, I do believe.
You're
Yes,
right.
I went there.
Yes, you did. Keeping it real as always.
Beautiful breeze up here today. This feels amazing.
This is beautiful. Great boondocking spot. We'll put the coordinates in the comments. No, just kidding.
We really won't. Sorry.
We're Moochdocking.
You got to be blood to Moochdocking.
That's right.
All right, let's get the bedroom windows
Let's do
open.
it. Yeah. That one was so much easier because we've opened this one.
We've used
the
it a
most.
bunch.
Yep.
Okay, let's do the other sides. We have a cross breeze. We'll be in good shape.
Oh look, I can do it from out here.
Nice. I didn't know that. Did you?
I did not.
Learning new things.
Look at us.
Look at the
Becoming
view.
pros.
Look at the view we have. And we're not paying any money.
That's pretty awesome.
It's a good deal.
That is a good deal.
We might just stay.
We might. Forget Canada.
Who needs Canada?
That's right.
What do you think, Sho?
I think it's great. Oh, wait. Stop this.
It's a big moment.
Okay, here we go.
This is Silas's inaugural trip.
Yep,
It's
let's go.
barely off the ground.
Wow.
Good job. Wow. Good job, buddy. Welcome home.
All right, we got to West Jefferson, Grassy Creek Pottery, and
Moochdocking.
we are Moochdocking. As you saw, we got the windows got out. We've got a wonderful spot. You couldn't ask for a better boondocking spot. We're gonna go over it a little bit and do a studio tour of Grassy Creek Pottery.
We're at the point where I'm starting to feel a little struggly with the storage. Like maybe wish we had a little more, but it's okay. I think one of the things we're going to have to do is work from smaller containers and stow the larger portions. So this is a lot of medicine for Silas, but I have a smaller bottle that I'll dispense from. We'll stow these under the seating. This is the dog's dental treats. And if you have a dog and they get dental treats of any brand, you know they stink. They smell really bad. So I keep them in a Ziploc, airtight. I think I have finally found what to do with the teeny tiny trash can. And I kind of wanted to use it for cutting and chopping, so it'd be cool, but it's not practical. I would just end up dumping more than one trash for the speed that we're going to be traveling at. If we were parked for a while, I think I would use that for light chopping. But as it is, if anyone comes by and wants to give the dogs a treat, you know where to find them. This is our first time ever moochdocking. I don't think we've ever had friends or family that had such a great place or any place for us to pull in. But we are moochdocking at North Carolina's top potter, Grassy Creek Pottery, aka Jim's sister and my sister-in-law. You've got to see this. Come on, we'll take you in. This is where the magic happens.
As we've told you, we're crazy about coffee, and there's one place we get all of our coffee mugs, and that's Grassy Creek Pottery. Let me show you some of them. Her mugs come in 3 sizes: the 8-ounce, the 12-ounce, and the 16-ounce. The 12-ounce, she only makes the thumbtacks for one person. But listen, if you place an order and put "Big Guy Special," she'll put them on yours too.
Shows the thumbtacks, Jim. Jim feels that he's invented this, by the way.
Yes, look, this makes it all. They're perfectly balanced. They're great.
One of our family favorites is the chowder bowl. We use these for everything beyond chowder even. Yogurt, cereal, soup, and it also has the thumb tab for you to hold on to. Great way to eat ice cream when you're watching a movie.
Family aside, if you want some beautiful, great pottery, go to grassycreekpottery.com. I'll leave it in the description.
Great for gifts, great for teachers' gifts, great for your own home. I know in our home and some of our other relatives' homes, Cheryl's done the entire kitchen for us. So highly recommend Grassy Creek Pottery.
Woke up to this view this morning.
Not too bad for $0.00.
No, this was a great stop. The solution we came up with while we're moochdocking or boondocking is we were given this a couple years ago, and it's a halo, and it's awesome. We made coffee last night, brewed coffee. It sat there, took about 28% of this battery, so I guess technically we could, without charging it, make 4 pots of coffee.
Great for a little overnight boost.
Absolutely. So let's see. Let's get some coffee going.
Stop 1, 2023 in the books. It is a long way from here to British Columbia. So we have to keep going. But this was amazing. So often, if you're willing to take that chance, your best spots are going to be free ones. And it was very gracious of Jim's sister Cheryl and her husband Dave and their neighbor Buddy to host us. This has been amazing. Great weather, perfectly quiet. We'd love to stay longer, but we got to get on the road. We got a long way to go from here. We are on our second moochdocking location. This one's going to be a little trickier to back into. So Jim just called and said he's almost here. We're about to see what his backing chops are made of. Okay, you're on it. Just keep coming straight back. You're all the way. I'm back here. Don't run me over, so don't go fast.